Hello, friends. So, if you are preparing for UPSC 2026 and still confused about your optional, we are here to settle down this confusion. We are providing 5 free demo lectures for philosophy optional. A student from any background, whether mathematics, sciences, or humanities, or commerce, etc., can join this sessions. With 5 free sessions, you can figure it out whether this subject is beneficial for you or not. There is no coaching which is providing 5 demo lectures free for any subject. We are providing this because we are 100% sure that philosophy is a subject that can surely be understood by a person who has a thinking mind, a person who is genuinely preparing for UPSC exam. So please join us by 1st of June for this. Do visit this link given below and we'll see you in the demo sessions. Thank you. All the best.